Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Adult Arcade. Today I'm going to show you how to download Twitter video on online website. So first of all, let's go to your Twitter. This is my Twitter account and don't think about this account, this is a fake account. So now I will show you how to download Twitter video. First of all, you need to go to any kind of a video. This is the time to... I can't play this video because of it could be copyright claims in here. So now you need to copy your video link, then go to your search engine, then type Twitter video download. Then you can appear so much video downloaders, I mean download links. Go to any link you want. I will go to this one, then paste link in here and press download button. It will be loading. If that video is not a private video, you can say we can download the video. So let's click this resolution, close the ad. Here we go, video is downloading. That's it. So hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and do what you want. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.